I am heavy weapons guy. And this is my weapon. She weighs one...
Ain't talking about that freak.
One dreams of chronic and sustained cruelty.
But if you have to get sick in the bush, just make sure you do it really quietly, and I'll just keep look out for you, okay?
Okay, that would be great, Donnie. You're the best. Wait, oh, here we go.
There's the stairs.
Yeah, we're still
We need to
getting
get a
used to
sign
this
that says
house.
stairs over here because we don't know where it is.
Yeah, we really, really do. Oh, gosh, okay, well, the place smells... Oh, no, those flowers smell like... They
Oh
smell
my gosh, is that
like
making you sick as well?
mustard.
Do you want to get anything to eat in the kitchen? Are you okay?
Can you get me an apple?
Okay. Getting sick in the garden?
Yeah, sorry.
Oh my gosh. Get sick in the water.
Okay.
Feed the fish.
Oh, no, I don't want to kill the fish. Oh, God.
Thank you for saving me.